Hello guys, welcome to Hub and welcome to another episode of our Delphi tokens. In our video of the day, we will be talking about Solana. But before we go into our video of the day, please click on the subscribe button, click on the notification bell to get notified whenever a new and resourceful video is dropped on the channel. Like and share this video with your families and friends. Without wasting much of our time, let's get down to business. In this video, I'll be telling you about Solana, its market cap and its movement and future prediction in the coin market. Solana is the world's most performant blockchain in the world at 710k transactions per second. 710k transactions per second is achieved by encoding the passage of time as data. Like I earlier said, I'll be telling you about Solana's market cap and its movements and future prediction. Based on my confirmed research, Solana crypto price prediction for the year 2022, this unique cryptocurrency in question is predicted to rise to $120.5 by the end of 2022. Yes, by the end of 2022, and $145 by the end of 2024, and $176 by the end of 2025. So without doubt, we can see the chart of this coin. You can see the current price of this coin is $52.36. You can see the market cap of this coin is 17,272,182,800, and the volume of this particular coin in the last 24 hours is 1,874,563,200, and the circulating power of this coin is 339,137,440, and the total supply of this coin is 511,616,960. So let's view this coin movement on the market cap. So this is the coin market cap. So let's view the movement of this coin in the last 24 hours. In the last 24 hours, we can see the low price of this coin in the last 24 hours is $48.65, and the last 24 hours the high price of this coin is $53.62, and we can see the price of this coin in the last 1 minute. The price of this coin in the last 1 minute, you can see the price of this coin in the last 1 minute is $38.05, and the high price of this coin in the last 1 minute is $110.72. So let's go to the main chart. You can see Solana price today. The Solana price today, we can see the price of Solana in the last 24 hours. Yes, Solana price today, here is the price, is $52.40, and the price change in the last 24 hours is 2.58. It increases at the rate of 5.90%. The low price of this coin in the last 24 hours and the high price of this coin in the last 24 hours. The low price of this coin in the last 24 hours is $48.65, and the high price of this coin in the last 24 hours is $53.62. The trading volume of this coin in the last 24 hours is 1,940,057,607, and the market volume of this coin is 0.109, and the market dominance of this coin is 1.39%, and the market rank of this coin is 9. You can see, and yes, we can see. So the market cap of this coin currently is 17,803,913,437.78 and the fully diluted market cap of this coin is 26,858,684,281.83, which means this coin increased at the rate, the fully diluted market cap of this coin increased at the rate of 5.72%. So we can check the price of this particular coin in the last 1 month to see the movement. You can see the price of this coin in the last 1 month is 110. That is to say this coin has a future. This coin is a coin that is gonna be skyrocketing before the end of this year. So you can see with your own eyes that this coin has a future, is planning, and it will come to pass. This coin is gonna skyrocket before the end of 2022. That is a prediction, that is a confirmedly and a strong concrete evidence that this coin is going to be skyrocketing before the end of 2022. So without wasting much of our time and with a little piece of advice, guys, I advise strongly that you should go for this coin. You should get one of this coin. You should get this coin into your wallet now, because at the end of this year 2022, you're gonna be smiling to your bank. You're gonna be happy that you made a right decision at the end of 2022. So that will be all for now, guys.